Metalmite's customers can expect with the 5-axis milling to have reduced cycle times, which reduces cost, reduced setups, which reduces cost, and increased accuracy due to the fact that you don't have to have multiple setups for each job. You can grab it once, cut it, and be done on most cases. And that right there is huge savings for the customer and a big gain for Metalmite because we don't have to tie up multiple machines, allowing more access to our abilities for other customers as well. 5-axis mills have a significant advantage over traditional 3 or 4-axis mills just in the setup and the availability of the different sides that you can access. While in the 5-axis, you can obviously access 5 of the 6 sides while you're machining as opposed to 3 tops on a 4-axis mill. My biggest surprise doing 5-axis machining has been the reduction in actual cycle time and setup time. It's been greatly reduced just because you don't have to hold it several different times to machine the different surfaces. It's just a much better, more accurate, intelligent way to machine a part.